Hippos are considered the most dangerous animal in Africa due to several factors. Firstly, their large size and immense strength make them formidable. They can weigh up to 7,700 pounds and are capable of charging at incredible speeds. Secondly, hippos are highly territorial and will aggressively defend their territory, especially when they feel threatened or when their offspring are endangered. Lastly, their powerful jaws contain large, razor-sharp teeth that can easily crush bones and inflict severe injuries. Despite their seemingly docile appearance, it's crucial to respect their space and avoid provoking them, as encounters with hippos can be extremely dangerous and potentially fatal.